Hey everybody, this video we have a BMW 328i door lock. It's from a 2016, and we're going to see if we can pick and decode it with the HU100R Lishi. First thing we'll do with this is, of course, insert the tool all the way in. And I have lubricated the heck out of this lock. You really got to clean them good on all the push starts, because the door locks never get used. So some lubrication will make your life a little easier on that. Just make sure the tool's all the way in, so we can zoom in so everybody can see. Alright, and now what I'm going to do here is I just want to identify where my wafers actually are. So I'm just going to go no tension, just bounce through the positions here and see where we're getting spring. So going down, looks like we've got odd numbers going down, so that means even will be going up. On the HU92s, I always do 1, 3, 5, 7 first. So we'll see if we do the same thing here. 1's not binding, 3 is not binding, 5 not binding, and 7's not. So we'll go upstairs. Okay, 2 is actually binding. A little bit of a click on 2. Okay, 4 is binding. Click on 4. 6 is binding. Click on 6 and click on 8. Another click on 2. 4. Okay, 6 is still springy, and 8 feels like it's binding again. So click on 8 and go check the bottom row now. So number 7. Springy, 5 springy, 3 springy, and 1 springy. So we'll run through the even numbers again. And click on 2, 4 and 6 springy. Okay, 2 feels like it's still binding. Click on 2 and go check the bottom again here. So 1 still springy, 3 springy, 5 springy. Okay, now 7's actually binding, so see if we can pick 7 here. Okay, click on 7. I got a little bit of rotation. Go ahead and check the other even numbers. 1, 3, and 5 are still springy. Click on 2, got some more rotation here. 4 and 6 feel like they're already set. A little trouble here getting this all the way back to 8. Okay, there we go. Click on 8, and our lock is actually open. Alright, and what we're going to notice there is I never had to pick 1, 3, and 5, so that's going to indicate that those are going to be 4 cuts. Now we'll go and we'll decode it, and I'll run and cut a key, and we'll see if it works here. So we'll start on number 1. And number 1 is going to be a 4. 2 is actually going to be a 2. 3 is going to be a 4. 4 is a 3. 5 is a 4. 6 is going to be a 3. 7 is a 1. And 8 is a 3. So I got 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 1, 3. And this code series is not published on Instacode, so I have no way to verify this is right. So I'm going to go just cut a key, and we'll see if it works here. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I went out to the Condor Dolphin and cut a key. And so this is HU100R, so the cuts are just reversed, but the blank is the same thickness and width and length. So I just use an HU100 blank and just select HU100R on the key machine to actually cut it. And I'll make sure that it works. And it works perfectly here. So the Lishi perfectly picked and decoded this BMW lock. And so I guess if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments. And I guess until next time here, we'll talk to everybody later.